Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 11. In the diagram below, AB and CD are two intersecting straight line. Find the value of angle marked Y. A 130 degree, B 115 degree, C 65 degree, and D 60 degree. Now we're given two straight lines, line AB and line CD, and this line intersects each other. Now we are asked to find the value of the angle marked Y. This is the angle marked Y which we are looking for. This is the angle marked Y. Now to find this angle marked Y, we have a line like this. The line AB is like this. Now A B. Now we have another one like this intersecting it, so we call this line line C D. Now we have to find angle Y, which is this angle, and this angle here is 65 degree. Now let's take this thing, look at this thing critically. This angle, this line AB is a straight line. Line AB is a straight line, and like we know, angle on a straight line is equals to is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Now if you look at it, line AB is a typical example of a straight line, like the question told us, a straight line. Now we have two angles on this line, on this straight line. Therefore when you sum these two angles together, it must give you 180 degree. Now one of these angles is known, which is 65 degree, but the other is unknown, which is Y. So therefore to find Y, what do we say? We say 65 degree plus Y will give us is equal to 180, because it's angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So therefore to solve this, what do we say? We say 65 degree plus Y is equal to 180. Now Y is equals to 180 minus 65. 180 minus 65. Therefore Y will be equals to 115 degree. So therefore the answer to this question is 115 degree. Now from the option here, option B corresponds to our answer, 115 degree. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.